What's good, people? On today's video, I've set myself a challenge to do the quickest video on YouTube for an oil and an oil filter change on a BMW F31 2015 318D. So let's get straight into it. I'm sure you guys don't need to see how to jack the car up and to prepare it. So I'm just gonna fast forward this bit. First thing I do, I just loosen up this cap. Just put it on the side like that. That's loose. I'm gonna get under the car and remove the sump plug. So the sump plug from the front of the car is located about here. I'm gonna get underneath and just undo it. I'll show you how you do it. So just get a flathead screwdriver to start off with and move the cover out the way. So there's your sump plug in there. Now I started on the oil filter. I used a 27mm socket on a Torx wrench. Be careful because there's a couple of guys on YouTube that have used adjustable spanners. I tried using it at first and it started corroding the edges, so avoid using adjustable spanners and spanners in general. Anyway, for the filter now, I've just loosened up the housing. I'm gonna pull it out now and start changing the oil filter for the new one. So I just used a cloth to wipe down the housing, clean off the old oil, and obviously just to make it a bit more clean. I should have done the inside, but I was in a bit of a rush and I forgot to do it. But you should clean that down as well with a little cloth. I'm pulling off the old rubber seal. I'm going to put the new one on. When you put the new filter on, just make sure that little knob bit that's sticking out is in the bottom end, and then reinstall it as normal. Take the old washer off the sump plug and just put the new one on, which came with the oil filter pack. Then all you have to do is screw the sump plug back in using your hand and then use the socket wrench just to tighten it up a little. Now all you got to do is remove anything that might be under the car, double check nothing's there, and just lower it as normal. Finally, all I have to do is fill up the engine with fresh engine oil. I believe my car holds 5.2 litres. So this is a 5 litre drum. I'm just filling it up, as you can see, and then job's a good one. If anyone needs to reset the service light in the car, it's very simple, very easy. There's plenty of videos on YouTube showing you how to do it. It only takes a couple of seconds, well, a couple of minutes. I've watched someone else's video, sorry I've not made one myself, but it's very easy. Just go on YouTube and watch it yourself. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful or useful, you know what to do. Show some love, show some support, subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up. Until next time, peace out guys.